You've got survey coordinates, but when you try to input them on ArchiCAD, nothing aligns. Here is the fix. In this video, I will show you how to input survey coordinates the right way, so your site plan matches perfectly with real world data. Let's jump into ArchiCAD and fix this once and for all. Well, welcome to ArchiCAD. The first thing we are going to do is just to mute ArchiCAD interface and look for the survey data we picked out. For mine is Mr. Gideon's project, and here is the survey coordinates in Excel. We picked these coordinates using just our cell phone. So if you haven't watched our video on how to pick survey coordinates using your cell phone, you can check it out. We have coordinates P1, P2, P3, P4. Use just the UTM coordinates in this video. Navigate to the column where there's UTM coordinates. We are going to open it up. Select the UTM coordinate, and on your keyboard, press Ctrl C to copy. To minimize our Excel sheet, right click with your mouse. Navigate down to New. On New, we are going to choose Text Document. Then save it as survey coordinates. So we type survey coordinates. Press enter. We click on survey coordinates, and we are going to enlarge the screen. Use Ctrl V on your keyboard to place the coordinates. Get rid of the things ArchiCAD doesn't recognize, which is this N32. Ctrl C on that. Then we are going to get rid of it by going to Edit. We are going to move down to replace, and to where there's replace, don't type in anything from your keyboard. Move to replace all and just click on it. We are going to do the same with E. Select E. On your keyboard, you press Ctrl C. Move to Edit and down to replace. Click replace all and exit. Another thing ArchiCAD doesn't recognize is decimal. So where we have this point here, we are going to select it, which is a full stop. On your keyboard, press Ctrl C, move to Edit and navigate down to replace. And you're going to replace it with nothing, so just press replace all. The digits are supposed to be equal for both the X this way and the Y this way. So here we have 8 digits instead of 9, which is this way. So we are going to add 0 here to complete the digit. The X axis and the Y axis, and there are 9 digits in total. So our intention is to create a flat surface for this survey data. So on Z axis, which is the height, we are going to put 0 0. So you just space and type 9 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then we can copy. Once we are done, we are going to navigate to File and save that project file. Then we close it. Once you're on ArchiCAD, navigate to File, down to Interoperability. Then you move down to Place Match from Surveyor's Data. Then you're going to move to your desktop where you saved the survey coordinates that you just adjusted, which here is survey coordinates for me, and you click on Open. On Surveyor's unit, we are going to change it to millimeters. Reason being that ArchiCAD by default, when you just open it, the units are set to millimeters. So once you input our units in millimeters, click on OK, and you see your surveyor's data. So here's our survey data. We are going to place it here. So the plot size is larger than the viewports on ArchiCAD. So you are just going to copy the viewports and send them out. These are real coordinates I measured on site. I verified it with an actual tape measurement. So let's compare the data from your phone using UTM Joe to that I actually did using the measuring tape. So comparing those distances, we are going to measure the first section, which is from here to this place. It's 36.25 meters, 29.17 meters. So you can see the actual differences.